Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll solve a problem using cosine law. Now in this problem, we have to find the value of this angle x. Now we can say that this triangle is not a right angle triangle because there is no information in this triangle that indicates that this is a right angle triangle. So this triangle is an oblique triangle. Therefore, to find the value of x, we have to use either sine law or cosine law. So that's the first analysis we have to do to identify the steps for finding the missing angle. Now let's analyze the given information. We are given this side length 5 centimeter. We are also given the second side length 6 centimeter and the third side length 7 centimeter. So we know all three side lengths and we have to find angle x. Now since we are not given any other angle in this triangle, we cannot use sine law. So in this case, we'll have to use cosine law to find the value of x. So the cosine law equation is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times cosine of angle A. Now in this equation, side A and angle A are opposite to each other. So if we want to use the equation in this form for this triangle, so we can label this corner as A, the other one as B, and third one as C. So as a result, the 6 centimeter side becomes side A, the 7 centimeter side becomes side B, and the 5 centimeter side becomes side C. So in this case, so cos of angle A is basically the cos of angle X. So there's a very important step you have to keep in mind, that the angle being used in the equation should be the one opposite to the side that's written on the left side of this equation. Now we can sub in the values. So we know that A is equal to 6, so 6 squared equals 7 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 7 times 5 times cosine of x. Now we have to solve this equation to find the value of x. So the first step is to evaluate the squares. So we know 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 5 square is 25, and now we can use our calculator to evaluate 2 times 7 times 5, which is equal to 70 cos x. So in this equation, 49 and 25 are like terms and they are on the same side of the equation, so we can just add them. So in the next step, we can write 36 equals 74 minus 70 cos x. We cannot combine terms 74 and 70 because they are not like terms. So 70 here is with cos x. So first we'll have to combine 74 with 36. So we'll have to gather the like terms 36 and 74 on the left side of this equation by subtracting 74 from both sides. So the 74s on the right side cancel each other out. So we get 36 minus 74 equals minus 70 cos x. We can do the subtraction on the left side. So 36 minus 74 is equal to negative 38 equals negative 70 cos x. We can isolate cos x by dividing both sides by negative 70. So negative 70 is being multiplied to cos x. So we should use the reverse operation of multiplication, which is division. So the 70's on the right side cancel each other out and we are left with negative 38 over negative 70 equals cosine x. Now we can evaluate in our calculator. So both numbers are negative. So we know when we divide a negative number by a negative number, the result is a positive number. So we get 38 over 70. So I get cos x equals 0.54286. We can isolate x by doing the inverse of cosine. So we write the step like this. So it becomes cos of -1 and then 0.54286. And now we can use our calculator to evaluate this. So I got 57.12 degrees. So this should be the final answer for the value of angle x. So I got 57.12 degrees on the calculator. Now you can round this answer as per the rounding instruction given in the problem. So if you find this video useful, please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.